Yeah, they gotta be, cause ooh, yeah, the paper was, you couldn't tell the color from the paper, but you know what? I like the tone on these so far. Hey, what up, guys? Pabs Moneybags here, finally back with another sneaker unboxing. I took a little bit of a break. I was just trying to make sure that I was doing this because I like to do it and not because of anything else. No other reasons, no other motives, but simply because I'm passionate about sneakers and making YouTube videos, and I'm starting kind of lose sight of that. But you know what? It doesn't matter. We're back. We got two pairs of shoes today, which means we got a mystery unboxing. Now actually I shouldn't open the other one. I messed up. So I meant to do something else, but I guess it doesn't matter, right? Today we're gonna have either the Air Max 720 on the Sunrise colorway or the brand new 2019 member exclusive Nike Free RN 3.0. I want to assume these are the Free RN Flyknits or the 3.0s. Although I'm pretty excited about both the shoes. I've been meaning to get my hands on a pair of the 720s. See, now this is interesting though, because the box, yeah, these gotta be the Flyknit 3.0s. Ooh, the tension. I haven't done this in such a long time, man. I'm so excited. Yeah, they gotta be, because ooh, yeah, the paper was, you couldn't tell the color from the paper, but you know what? I like the tone on these so far. Does that say? Oh, 4mm offset. I really love the tone of the free outsole. Oh, look at this. Look at all those lines. Look at all that freedom in the bottom of your foot, man. I'm gonna have so much fun running in these. Now, I am still a little bit hesitant about these, primarily because I don't know, man. I think like when you look at them, the first thing I thought of when I looked at them is like, you know those swimming shoes, not the swimming shoes, like the underwater shoes or whatever that you can wear when you go to like the beach or the pool, or when you just go in the water. Like the silhouette, the fact that they're laceless, I don't know, they just kind of gave me that vibe. But anyways, here we have them. Oh wait. Ooh. So let's go ahead and get started taking a look at the details. So Nike Free over here on the outsole, closer towards the heel. Right above that, you got a black Nike swoosh with a little bit of a pattern on it. Kind of interesting. Anyways, you do get a little bit of these like greenish, yellowish, highlighter color accents over here. Once again on the outside. Over here all the way in the bottom part of the heel right before the outsole. You do got a reflective detail over here right above that yellowish accent. So you got kind of like it's not your regular collar, you got pretty even collar right here, but then it does this part over here. The lining just goes up a little bit, which according to Nike support, it's supposed to help you with the support and everything. Going back over here on the outside though, you have the strap that replaces the laces on this shoe, meant to give you freedom while you're running with every stride, so it doesn't hurt over in this area, but still positioned in a way that it gives you structure so the shoe doesn't fall off. You do have another reflective accent over here on the outside, closer towards the toe box, and then right on the toes or on the toe box, you got the Nike swoosh in a black color once again. Anyways, over here closer towards the collar, you have Nike Free, engineered for natural range of motion. That's the whole point of this outsole, which now that we're here, let's go ahead and take a look at it. All these different divisions within the outsole are meant to help you have a natural stride. But anyways, you got a 3.0 right here on the inside part of the outsole, telling you exactly what type of outsole it is, because they did release the 5.0, and I didn't know this until before I started recording the video. But once again, back here you got the 4mm offset mark. Appreciate Nike for that. And then you of course got the Nike swoosh right there in the midsole. These have no tongue because they're meant to be slip-on, but you do have this little loop over here that you can use to actually pull the shoe into your foot. Let me go ahead and take the paper out of the inside, and on the right shoe you have a Nike swoosh running throughout the insole, but then on the left one, check out this paper, you got Nike Free RN, the Nike written in the middle of the R. It looks really futuristic but weird at the same time. I do think these are gonna be perfect, especially for the spring coming up, for the summer coming up. Pretty excited to wear them, but right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, I don't know why my DSLR keeps focusing on this area right here. See, and then if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.